Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I still miss all of y'all. So today's lesson is going to be the expected value of a random variable. And I know what you're thinking, it's going to be a lot of fun, and you know it. So let's just jump into a problem. Okay, so Annie is flipping a single coin with sides labeled 1 and 2. Let the random variable x be the number up. What is the expected value? Okay, so let's stop and think about a coin. You know how a coin has heads and tails, right? So let's see, a coin has heads. In this case, we're going to let it be the number 1, and then tails. And we're going to let this be the number 2. Now, just think for a second, what's the probability of me getting heads when I flip a coin? Say it. I know someone's going to say it. Yes, that is right. It is 1/2. Now, what is the probability of getting tails if we flip it? Yes, oh my gosh, I know I teach the smartest of the smart. Yes, we get a 50% chance of getting tails, just like getting heads, despite what people think. Okay, and we're assuming this is a fair coin. Now, first thing we need to do is make sure that if I take these two events and add them up, these add up to 1, right? So 1/2 plus 1/2 is 2/2, which reduces to 1. Okay? It always will equal to 1, as long as it's a fair game. Cool. So they're telling us here that x is going to be the number that flips up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to find what's called the expected value. Now we know math is not as complicated like as language arts. Expected is the E of x, okay, of getting flipped up. Now, we're hoping for heads, or in this case, number 1. So what's the probability of me flipping a 1? Correct, 1/2. So now we're going to add it together. So I want what number for next? 2 for tails. And you're going to multiply that by 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 is 0.5. 2 times 1/2 is 1. If I add them together, my expected value is going to be 1.5. That's it. Kind of seems cool. I know, right? I told you it was going to be completely awesome. Okay. Ooh, we're going to blow some hair off today. Ooh. Okay, so there are 5,000, I can't read anymore. 5,000 tickets. So I'm going to write right here, our total is 5,000 tickets. Okay, and they're sold at $5 each for a cultural show lottery. Tickets are to be randomly drawn, and cash prizes are to be rewarded as follows. There's one prize of 500, 2 prizes of 1,000. Oh, I still can't read. 100. Whoopsies. And 3 prizes of 50. What's the expected value for this lottery if you buy a ticket? Okay, so let's assume we're playing this game. Now, if I win that $500 prize, am I truly winning $500? And the answer is no, you're not. Because remember, how much did you pay for that one ticket? So you put in $5, so you've won technically $495. Right? Because you pay yourself back the original $5, and then you get your $500. Okay, so now for $100, again, if you're lucky enough to win $100, you're not technically winning that 100. You got to take out that 5. So once you pay yourself back, you're winning just $95. Okay, and then the same would go for 50. You're not truly winning 50. You're winning 45. You always got to pay yourself back. Cool. Okay, so what we're going to do is make a table. Okay, so we can win. How do I want to do this? Let's do cash prizes and probability. Okay, I have Newton right here. Too bad you can't see him. He wants to be part of it. Okay, so my first cash prize, the one we all are hoping to win, is that $495, right? Who could not use $495? The second one is going to be $95. I'll even take $95. I'm not picky. And then you could also win $45. Again, it's not that $495, but more, it's still some money I would enjoy. Now, what would happen if you do not win? Okay, yes, you would be a big old loser, but you would actually be out $5. I know, right? It's like horrible. Okay, so here we go. How many chances to win $500? We have one chance to win $500. So this would be 1 over, now how many tickets were sold? Remember, it was 5,000 tickets. So we have a 1 out of 5,000 chance to win, and that chance is let me count my zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Okay. Now, what's it? How many chances do we have to win $100 or $95? Is 2. So that would be 2 out of 5,000 tickets, and that would be 0.0004. Okay. Now, to win $50, we have a better chance of winning 50, right? And there's 3 out of 5,000. And this is going to be 0.0006. So total, there's 6 prizes to be won out of 5,000. So how many losers will we have? And we would subtract that from 5,000, and there will be 4,994 losers over 5,000. And this adds up to 0.9988. Okay. So if we count all this, the numerators, they should total to 5,000. So 4,994 plus 3 is 97, plus 2 is 99, plus 1 is an even 1,000. Okay, so let's find out how much money we can win, lose, if we were to play a ticket. So here is our expected value. Okay, so here we go. It's going to be 495 times 0.0002 plus $95 times 0.0004 plus 45 times 0.0006, and then plus a negative 5 times 0.9988. Okay, and if we put this into the calculator very carefully, let's see, I'm just going to put it down here. I get negative 0.8348. Okay, so we do need to move all the decimals. So 1, 2, and that would be your expected value if you wanted to play this game. Doesn't seem really worth it, but then again, you know, if you don't play, you don't win, right? But it's something to think about, how it looks really good, but how much money you would end up really technically losing. Okay. Now, let's look at number 3. Okay, an experiment consists of selecting one of 3 chocolates labeled 1, 2, and 3 from a pouch. Let the random number x be the number that turns up. What is the expected value? Okay, so we already know what this is, and we either get chocolate number 1, chocolate number 2, and chocolate number 3. So what's our probability? So what do you think the probability of getting 1, 2, or 3, assuming all pieces of chocolate are equal sizes? Good job. Yes, it is 1/3. I love y'all. Y'all are so on it. So what would be my expected value? Okay, so this would be 1 times 1/3 plus 2 times 1/3 plus 3 times 1/3. Okay, I don't have a calculator and these are repeating decimals, so let's see if I can do this. 1/3 plus 2/3 plus 3/3. Okay, so remember when you add fractions, don't add the denominator, so that's 5/6 over 3. So my expected value is 2. I hope this has helped.